Welcome to the best picks. The best John Deere D170 parts is probably one of the most important investments for your lawn tractor. Keeping your John Deere D170 in top condition means understanding its components and choosing the right parts when maintenance or repairs are needed. In this video, we'll dive into the essential parts of the D170, helping you make informed decisions for your tractor. Number 5. Affordstore GX21395 belt for John Deere tractors. This is a durable replacement belt from Affordstore. It's designed to keep your lawn tractor running smoothly. This belt is built to last. This belt is a direct replacement for the John Deere GX21395 part. It's made to the same specifications, ensuring a perfect fit. You can trust it to perform. This belt is compatible with several John Deere models, including 190C, D170, E180, G110, LA150, and LA175. It's a versatile solution for your lawn care needs. It will help you get the job done. The belt is constructed with a durable aramid cord. This material is known for its strength and resistance to wear and tear. It's built to withstand tough conditions. The belt has a size of 5/8 by 161/3/4. This ensures the correct fit for your lawn tractor. Make sure this is the right size for your machine. What we like. This belt features a durable aramid cord, ensuring a longer lifespan. If you are looking for a reliable replacement that can withstand tough conditions, this is the perfect choice. It's designed to keep your mower running smoothly, season after season. What people say. Excellent quality and exactly as described. Well made, long-lasting fast shipping. Fit the John Deere D170 with 54 deck as it should. Held up under heavy use with a grass catcher attached. Number 4. 810 John Deere D170 G110 Deck Rebuild Kit. This is the 810 Deck Rebuild Kit. It's designed to help you maintain your lawn mower. This kit includes everything you need for a complete deck overhaul. The spindle is compatible with John Deere OEM part numbers GY20867 and GY21099. It's built to the highest standards. This ensures durability and reliable performance. The blades are compatible with Craftsman and John Deere OEM part numbers. They are made from high-quality materials. This ensures a clean and precise cut every time. The belt is compatible with John Deere OEM part number GX21395. It is designed for optimal power transfer. This helps your mower run smoothly and efficiently. The idler is compatible with John Deere OEM part numbers GY20110, GY20629, and GY22082. It ensures proper belt tension. This contributes to the overall performance of the mower. This kit is compatible with John Deere D170, G110, 190C, LA150, and LA175 models. It's a comprehensive solution for your mower's deck maintenance. Get yours today and keep your lawn looking its best. What we like. This kit offers a complete deck rebuild solution, including spindles, blades, belts, and idlers. It's designed to restore your mower's cutting performance. If you need a one-stop solution to revitalize your deck, this comprehensive kit has everything you need. What people say. The blades perform good and are well balanced. Perfect fit for the John Deere mowing deck. Everything fit just right, no problems. Number 3. 810 John Deere D170 G110 Blade Belt Kit. This kit is designed for John Deere D170, G110, 190C, and LA175 models. It includes everything you need to maintain your mower's cutting performance. This kit will help you get the job done. The spindle is compatible with OEM part numbers John Deere GY20867 and GY21099. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit. This will help to keep your mower running smoothly. The blades are compatible with Craftsman SPM 684375001 and John Deere GX21380, GY20679, GY20684, GY20686. They are designed for optimal cutting performance. It ensures a clean and even cut every time. The belt is compatible with John Deere GX21395. This belt is built to last and withstand the rigors of mowing. It ensures the power is transferred efficiently. With this kit, you can improve your cutting capability and consistency. It's a complete solution for maintaining your mower. It will make your lawn look its best. What we like. This kit is designed to improve your mower's cutting ability and consistency. It ensures a clean and even cut every time. If you value a well-manicured lawn and want to achieve professional-looking results, this kit will help you achieve that. What people say. Installed, very well made. Parts all seem to be high quality. Everything fit perfectly on my LA175. Number 2. HD switch ignition key for John Deere tractors. This ignition key switch is engineered for high performance. It's designed to provide reliable starts and smooth operation for your tractor. The umbrella key and grooved ignition body provide excellent protection. It safeguards against dust, dirt, and water, ensuring longevity. The package includes a protective soft grip umbrella key. It also comes with a spare key, offering convenience and peace of mind. This switch features a 4-position headlight control setting. It has 7 terminals and is perfect for D100, E100, and S-Series tractors with headlights. You'll also receive a large spare metal key. A carabiner keychain is also included, making it easy to keep the keys organized and accessible. What we like. This ignition switch is engineered for high performance and durability. It includes an umbrella key and a grooved ignition body to protect against the elements. If you need a reliable and weather-resistant ignition switch, this is the ideal choice for your John Deere tractor. What people say. This new switch is high quality and very easy to install. Main key has cover around keyhole preventing dirt and moisture from getting inside switch. It is exactly like the original one. Plug and play. Number 1. John Deere LG264 Maintenance Kit. This maintenance kit is designed specifically for your John Deere equipment. It contains everything you need to keep it running at its best, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. Inside, you'll find only genuine John Deere parts. These are made to the highest standards, guaranteeing a perfect fit and reliable operation for your machine. Performing regular maintenance is now easier than ever. This kit simplifies the process, saving you time and effort, so you can get back to work quickly. The kit includes all the necessary filters, spark plugs, and other essential components. It's a complete solution for your routine maintenance needs. By using this maintenance kit, you're protecting your investment and extending the life of your John Deere equipment. It's a smart choice for any owner. What we like. This maintenance kit includes all the essentials to keep your John Deere running smoothly. It's a convenient way to ensure your machine stays in top condition. If you want to simplify your maintenance routine and keep your tractor performing at its best, this kit is a must-have. What people say. Had everything needed to service my John Deere riding mower. Everything you need to do a tune-up. Everything worked perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.